Hey guys, it's Paul with Mile After Mile, and I'm here doing some regular maintenance today on the RV. I came across one thing that I thought might be a good thing to share with everyone. Some of you probably already know this, and it's nothing new. It's something I picked up a long time ago, and it's a handy thing to know in this situation.
As you can see, this screw won't tighten, it's stripped out.
Now this is a common problem in most RVs. As you travel, screws tend to loosen up. So I typically try to go around and check inside and outside on all the screws and fasteners to make sure things are snug. And the simple fix for most of these loose screws is to simply use a toothpick. Let me show you what I mean. We're just going to remove this screw. We're going to take the toothpick and break it. I like to use two sections of the toothpick, and you just stick this in the hole, and then when you replace the screw, it gives it something to bite into, allowing you to snug the screw up tightly. Makes for an easy fix. That pretty much wraps it up for this video. Just wanted to share that quick tip. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.